In this video, we're breaking down the basics of a Sun Salutation A. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sara, Live Free Warrior. The basics, Sun Salutation A. Starting at the front of your mat, let your feet separate inner hip distance. And you're moving with the breath on your Sun Salutation. So remember that as we flow, even though that we're talking through it, move with your breath. So as you inhale, reach the arms up overhead, right? And exhale, just let the arms come back down. So you get used to that, okay? Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, take them back down. Now we're gonna add the forward fold. Inhale, arms up overhead, and you're gonna bend the knees. Take a forward fold, okay? So let the fingers touch down, but bend the knees. Now we find a flat back. On an inhale, take your hands up to your shins, press your palms into your shins. So this extends your spine forward, little back bend. And then exhale, rebend those knees, take the hands back down. Let's do that again. Inhale, extend the spine, hands to the shins, little back bend, neutral neck. Exhale, take a forward fold. Here we're gonna plant the palms, step back to a plank. Now from your plank, you wanna shift a little bit forward onto the tippy toes. In this first variation, we're gonna lower the knees down. Then you shift forward a little bit more, bend the elbows down by your side. You reach about 90 degrees just before. And then we go into our back bend. Flip over those toes, keep a bend in the elbows. Here we're in Cobra. Okay, now I'm gonna take it back up to a plank position and show you the advanced level 2 variation that we keep in a plank. So as we're in a plank, and here's where you can work up to, but it's important to keep the alignment first, then work into this. From our plank, shift forward, lower to a low push-up, flip over the feet, upward dog. Here the thighs are lifted and arms are straight. Let's do that one more time. So from our plank, we have option A, right? You lower the knees, shift forward, low push-up, Cobra. Option B, plank, low push-up, upward facing dog. And in either of those, we then go back to downward facing dog. In our downward dog, start with the bend in the knees. If you're new to this, press the palms down with a little pocket of space underneath the palms and focus on a flat back. Over time, the legs can begin to straighten, but it's most important to see a flat spine, ears by your upper arm bones. Now to wrap up our Sun Salutation, you look forward, then you can either jump or step with me, step forward. And we repeat what we did in the beginning. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, with a straight spine, we rise all the way up to standing. Inhale, arms up overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center, and then down by your side. That's breaking it down step by step by step. Let's do one fluid Sun Salutation A, okay? Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, step back plank. Still on that exhale, low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can either pause here 3 breaths, or next inhale, step, or hop forward. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, rise all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart center. And then arms down by your side. That's breaking down Sun Salutation A. Getting the basics down is important to creating a solid and long-lasting foundation for the rest of your yoga practice. Learn the basics, and then you can break all the rules like a pro.